Legendary barber Jack Banks wrote this song in 1857, but it was lost. It was recently found in a suitcase, so we brought it back to life. This is called Painting Houses in the Rain. Let's go. I bet you never thought I would go out and get it while the getting is good. Maybe I was just born this way. I never went to Hollywood, Nashville or Texas like you thought I should. It ain't as easy as you think. From the outside looking in, from the bus stop at the Holiday Inn, wondering if I would leave today with $100 from my old man and a 6-string that he got from his dad. Then he sent me on my way from painting houses in the rain. From painting houses in the rain. And then he said,
Oh, you better watch your back. Play your heart out on every track. Live it all out on the stage.
but a year out on the road, still got no money and the same old clothes. A half bag of smokes on my way back home. And then he said,
Where you gonna go from here? Back to selling drugs or to cotton mill? Buy you a house and a handful of bills. You could find a girl and settle down like every fool in this old town. Maybe some things never change, like painting houses in the rain. Like painting houses in the rain.
I'll paint some houses for me. Man broke up and the mills are all gone. Billy got married and he moved back home. Years go by, but everything stays the same. Like painting houses in the rain. Like painting houses in the rain. I'm painting houses in the rain. Painting houses in the rain. I bet you never thought I would go out and get it while the getting is good. Maybe I was just born